For Lesson 16, we are going to reason about and explain arithmetic patterns using units of 0 and 1 as they relate to multiplication and division. Let's look at our problem set. It says to complete. So we are using factors of 1 and 0. Remember that anything times 1 is equal to itself. Anything times 0 is equal to 0. So let's take a look at number 1, letter A. Something times 1 is equal to 6. So what is going to be equal to itself? The answer is going to be 6. Let's take a look at letter B. Something divided by 7 is equal to 0. What will that be? So in other words, we're going to have to take 7 and we are going to have to multiply it by 0 since we're missing that first part. So we're going to get 0. Next, letter C. 8 times something is equal to 8. What will I need to multiply by 8 to get it to repeat itself? That answer is going to be 1. Next, let's take a look at letter D. 9 divided by something equals 9. So what would I have to divide 9 by in order to get itself? That is going to be 1. Go ahead and complete E, F, G, and H on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. Let's take a look at letter E. 0 divided by 5 is going to be 0. Letter F. Something times 0 is equal to 0. Well, I know that anything times 0 is equal to 0, so that could be any number. So you could put any number that you want. I'm going to put 1. Next, letter G. 4 divided by something is equal to 1. What would I have to divide 4 by in order to get 1? That's going to be itself. Next, letter H. Something times 1 is equal to 3. So what would I have to multiply 1 by to get an answer of 3? That would be 3. Let's take a look at number 2. It says match each equation with its solution. So 1 times n is equal to 3. So something times 1 is going to be 3. N is going to be equal to 3. It will match with this piece of cheese. Next, something divided by 4 is going to equal 0. Well, I know that anything times itself is going to equal 0. So that means that 0 is the answer for n. 1 times 6 is equal to n. N is equal to 6. So that's going to match here. Go ahead and solve the rest of the mice. Then match them with the cheese. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So 7 divided by 7 is going to give me an answer of 1. Something times 1 equals 9. That's going to be 9. The last one, something divided by 1 equals 8. I would have to take those numbers and multiply them together. So n equals 8. Let's take a look at number 3. It says let n be a number. Complete the blanks below with the products. Go ahead and solve this one. So you're going to take the top number and multiply it by 1 and write the answer on the line. I'll do the first one with you. 1 times 1 is 1, so I'm going to write that on the line. Go ahead and pause the video while you work. Replay when you are ready. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 1 is 5, 6 times 1 is 6, 7 times 1 is 7, 8 times 1 is 8, 9 times 1 is 9. So if n was a number and I were to multiply it by 1, I would get n, because remember, anything times 1 is itself. So what pattern did you notice? Well, we could say that anything multiplied by 1 is itself. Your assignment is to do the homework sheet number 1 and 2. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. Go ahead and put your homework sheet in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Next, grab an exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it and make sure you complete both sides of the exit ticket. Turn it in when you're finished. We'll see you next time.